Hello everyone, I am Randerisa, and this is a quick video explaining a new plugin called Animatex. What it basically is a plugin that will allow you to animate textures using a specified X and Y speed. Let me show you. If I click this button over here, that will display this web dialog. And if you click right away without choosing a face with a texture, it will prompt me a warning message saying that I have to select a face with a texture. If I do that and then click run again, you will notice that the texture will start animating in the x-axis 3 speed. Okay. If I want to change that and increase the speed, all I need to do is type another number, let's say 10, and click run, and you will notice that that will change the speed. A thing to keep in mind is that once you do that and you're happy with it, you can do other things inside SketchUp. You can still do modeling stuff. Also, you can move that face with the texture, and you will see that the texture will keep animating. And you can also apply other textures to it. Let's say I want to change into this type of texture. You will see that that texture is now applied to that face and the animation is still going. Alright, let's change it back to the water texture. Now, let's click pause. Other examples that you can do with this is, let's say you want to animate a scrolling text. Maybe this is useful for your project. What you can do is you select that text, and let's say we want 40 speed for the x-axis. Let me type that again. And then when we click run, you will see this animated text. And you can create this type of stuff very easily inside SketchUp. The way I did this, let me explain. If you see here, this is a face with some text applied to it using the 3D text tool. And the way you can make all this into one single texture is you select one face, let's say the one that says Animatex. Then you right click it and you choose make unique texture. We create that texture. Now you select every face and you right click that again, and then you specify combine texture. And it says, do you want to erase interior edges? And you say yes. And now this face is just a texture with that text. Okay. And for the last example, let's say you want to have more than one face using animated textures. You can make each of these faces a component so that everything animates, because the way the plugin works as right now is only limited to one texture. Maybe in the future I will change that, but right now the way to get multiple faces with animated textures is using components. Okay, so let me show you this. If I select that face and let's put a number over here, -7, then x0, and when we click run, you will notice that every face that is using that texture in the component is going to be animated. Alright, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this explanation, and a quick note is that most of the code that I'm using is basically a modification of Tick's texture tools. So a lot of credit goes to him, and hopefully in the future I can make more features, and so that it, for example, can animate multiple faces at the same time using different textures. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.